The balance of payments, the current and capital account. The balance of payments depicts all types of transactions, which include every individual, companies and government agencies, and departments' yearly transactions, which being completed with the other individuals, companies, and agencies outside the country. The current account of BOP includes the transaction in goods and services, income from the investments, and other current transfers. On the other hand, the capital account, which is eventually called the financial account, includes the transaction in financial instruments like bonds, debentures, and in the case of central bank reserves. If a country exports an item, it shows a credit in current account. But on the other side, it will import the foreign capital when that item will be paid, which will show the debit in capital account. Thus, in the point of equilibrium of BOP, the sum of current and non-reserve capital accounts becomes zero. Balance of payments surplus and deficits. Like an individual, a country sees the deficits in its current account when it spends more than it receives. It needs to sell some of its assets or arrange the finance by borrowing from abroad. It means that every current account deficit gets its money from the net inflow of the capital. Additionally, there are all the cases of official reserve transactions where the reserve of foreign exchange in the country gets decreased. This is called overall balance of payment deficits. Autonomous and accommodating transactions and errors and omissions. At the time of transactions, the above the line shows the independent mode in concurrence of profit motive in the scale of BOP. The autonomous receipts are greater than the autonomous payments and they are in surplus. But by the rate of autonomous items as transacted, the accommodating transactions are counted, which is called the official reserve transactions. The errors and omissions include those parameters which have not been recorded in balancing items due to human error.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.